Thank you for joining us today. If you like more planner videos, please subscribe to paperjoyph. Today I'm going to show you my planning process for my Hobonichi cousin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're using Pastel Panda in my Hobonichi cousin, and I'm going to start with my date cover-ups. And then I'm going to put down the bottom bar for the left page, but I've put it down slightly lower than what I did the last plan with me using my Hobonichi cousin. I'm now moving on to putting down my time cover-ups. You get 3 for this page and then another 4 for the next one. You have to be a little bit careful and patient while putting down the time cover-ups because they can be a little bit of a challenge because they are very thin and they can curl up when you peel it off the page. Moving on to the sidebar, I'm going to start with my This Week box. That is followed by my Habit Tracker, my Important box, and my Urgent box. For the decorative box, I like to layer it with my mini box as well as a tiny little deco just to add a little bit of something to that page. On to the next page. On the right page, I'm going to start with my date cover-ups once again, followed by my bottom bar. I'm just gonna finish off this page by using my time cover-ups, so 4 of them for the left page. This is what I call foundation stickers, and once that's done, then it's off to some fun stuff. Let's start with full box deco. These are for days where you have fewer tasks that take up a lot of time. Headers are great to divide your page into sections. Mini boxes can be used in a lot of different ways. The first one is for writing down tasks that you already know that's going to happen. For surprise tasks that happens all the time, you can use the dots as a checklist. Here's another way of using your mini box. You can also write down today's summary after the end of the day. One of my favorite ways to use a deco is as a full box. If I have one major task to do for the day, I choose to use a full box that is clear so I can write down what I need to do. Decorative mini boxes are important for me because I write things down on sticky notes all the time and find it hard to find a place where I can put it down, and these mini boxes are the perfect places. On to Wednesday. Because I have a few tasks to do for that day, I'm going to start with a to-do list. You can just use the dots that came with the kit to make your own checklist. Mini boxes are also great to list down all the little things that you need to do for the day. If you have a few tasks to do that are not time sensitive at all, then you can use the mini box checklist for that, just like what I'm doing. Sometimes I'd like to keep track of what I have already done or things to follow up, and I use a full box for that. I'm also using this full box deco to mark out time where I'll have a chill night with nothing to do. If I have one thing that I need to do for that day and the world will explode if I don't do it, I usually use a mini box for that. I've used another mini box deco for that day because I think it's gonna be payday and it's great to layer stickers on top. If I have space at the bottom of that section, then I usually put down a to-do list for my last-minute to-dos. I'm using my weekend banner here, and the banner actually covers 2 days. Here I'm just doing the exact same thing, and I'd like to take the chance to hope you a very happy weekend. The very last thing that I'm going to do for that page is to put down a full box where I will write down all of the things I need to do for next week. And we're done! I just wanted to give you a rundown of what you will get in your Hobonichi Cousin Sticker Kit. You get 6 full boxes, 3 deco, 3 clear. You also get 10 mini box, 3 checklists, and 7 deco. And a whole bunch of other stickers, all the cover-ups, boxes, headers, banner, deco, dots. All our stickers are glossy and they are fountain pen friendly. That was very important for me. It works best with wet nibs, just like the Lamy fountain pens. And my favorite inks are Pilot Aero Series and Sailor ink. If you're a student like me, I highly recommend Platinum Preppy fountain pens. And the best coloring pen for me are the Pilot Friction and the Koi coloring pens. For more tips, please follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. For this video, I'm using a Lamy Safari F nib using the ink Pilot Aero Kosumosu. That is my favorite. To match the color of the kit, I picked a Pilot Friction highlighter in pastel green. If you're using markers like me, you need to wait a little bit before you write down on it using your fountain pen because it will just feather around if you write down on it too quickly. And that is it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to paperjoyph here on YouTube. But if you really love us and if you like any of the stuff I showed you today, please buy our stuff at paperjoyph.com. We ship internationally. Thank you so much for everyone who has placed their order in our shop. I love you so much. And that's it for us today. I'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye!